Hello, and welcome to this FortiWeb's video on Advanced Bot Protection via FortiAppSec. FortiWeb integrates with FortiAppSec Cloud's Advanced Bot Protection service, a SaaS-based solution built to detect and block sophisticated bots that launch automated attacks against your online applications, such as data harvesting, credential stuffing, account takeover attempts, DDoS attacks, and other fraudulent activities. The Advanced Bot Protection service injects JavaScript into the client's browser via FortiWeb to monitor behavior and collect request samples. These samples are used to train a machine learning model that learns the typical, normal request patterns. When a new request arrives, FortiWeb queries the ABP service to determine if the client is a bot. If the request significantly deviates from the learned patterns, ABP flags it as anomalous and potentially malicious. FortiWeb blocks the request based on the query, confirming the request as bot-related. If the result shows the client is legitimate, FortiWeb performs its security checks and forwards the traffic to the back-end server. The machine learning model driving the Advanced Bot Protection service, along with its advanced traffic scrubbing capabilities, ensures strong detection and mitigation of malicious bot activities. Besides blocking bots effectively, the ABP service also gives you detailed insights. You can track bot traffic, spot malicious transactions, monitor account activity, and more. In short, by integrating with FortiAppSec's Advanced Bot Protection, FortiWeb effectively blocks sophisticated bots behind threats like data scraping, credential stuffing, and account takeovers, delivering strong, real-time defense through Fortinet's cloud-based protection. Thank you for watching.